Hello, excited to show you these extra large umbrellas that we got with this universal clamp here, which is great. We have them on our chairs. We are RVing this week at the beach, as you can see. It's very cool because depending where the sun is, we can tilt this portion back or forward very easily, which is a bonus. So like them, they hold up pretty well. There you go, back and forth. Priced right. I think we paid $40 for a 2-pack. Highly recommend them. They're pretty sturdy, compact, and easy to use. Get one for yourself. Cheers.